Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Heroes Welcome. In every gathering of our nation, in every moment we stand together as one people. There stand silent protectors, guardians of peace, heroes in blue. The Abra PNP CDM contingent, trained, disciplined, and always ready. They are the shield between chaos and order, ensuring every voice is heard and every Filipino is safe. They don't seek the spotlight, but today we shine it on them for their unwavering service, unshakable courage, and quiet sacrifice. To the Abra PPO CDM contingents, you are the heroes in every sense. This welcome is yours. Ladies and gentlemen, please stand for the Thanksgiving prayer to be delivered to us by Pastor Richard Claro, Mission Center in Abra.
Sakay na nga kararag tayo. Kaya't kong iabkas, di naimpusuan na panagyaman mi kada kayo. Ma'am sir, iti sibubukal nga Mission Center in Abra. Haan nga nagkupas iti agtultuloy nga panang ikarkararag mi kada kayo. Kaya't kung ibagangay, ayatan na kayo na po Diyos. Thank you for all your sacrifices. Itinasyon tayo nga Pilipinas. Tapno magunod tayo laing itilinak kanta na. Agyaman kami, sikap kumaapo, agtultuloy nga salinong sa kalasagda, itinaldaw nga panagbiagda. Agyaman kami Ama, ito sublimi amin nga daya, gloria kan panagyaman, kan kastamat Apo. Patuloy Apo Diyos nga ipaay ugad. Iti bendisyon nga nagtaod ken ka. Bendisyon am Apo Diyos ti tunggal may sa kadakwada. Itinagan ti Ama, ti Anak, ken ti Espiritu, itinagan na puming Jesus. So nga Diyos ken mangisalakan mi. Amen.
At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, let us now hear the message of the Provincial Director of Abra Police Provincial Office, Police Colonel Charles Dumanli.
First of all, welcome home. As your Provincial Director, I stand here filled with pride, witnessing the embodiment of your teamwork, commitment, and heartfelt service that defines the Abra PPO. Congratulations on your outstanding service, and thank you for answering the call with such valor and dedication. Once again, welcome back to our home, Abra PPO. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.